Hi, this is Medical Terminology 1. I'm Miss Brooke Wright. I'll be your instructor for the course. This is BIMS 2105. It is just during the first subterm. It's only a 1-hour course, so there's not a ton of course material that you have to get through for MedTerm 1. This course starts January 17th, that's Tuesday, and then it ends March 10th. This is the Friday before spring break. Make sure that you have all of your coursework completed by midnight on March 10th before you leave for spring break. This is my email. It's the best way to reach me. If you ever have any issues or questions, shoot me an email and I will do whatever I can to help resolve any problems or issues or questions that you might have. And we're going to go through the syllabus really quickly. So, like I said, this is BIMS 2105, Medical Terminology 1. It's just a 1-hour course. So that 1 right there just means that it's a 1-hour course. There's all of my information again. Medical terminology it's kind of like hitting the highlights of anatomy and physiology. You'll learn all of the medical vocabulary that you'll need to know for A&P, and then you'll also learn some other terms relating to medical fields, how to pronounce those terms, how to spell those terms, and then the definition of those terms. The course material, we have a textbook that you'll need to purchase. I have it on the Academos site. It's Medical Terminology for Healthcare Professionals who just need the book. Don't purchase the MyLab Suite. I don't think I have it as an option, but I love Academos because they always try to get you to spend more money. So don't spend a bunch of money. I think it's only about $40 to get the book. If you can't get it, let me know and we'll get something worked out for you. So these are all the different activities that you'll have to do. All of these are asynchronous and it's fully online. So that means you log in and get your work done, when you can get it done. I would recommend that you get it done as quickly as possible. That way it's over and you don't have it hanging over your head. The flashcards, these are the easiest 100 that you'll get. All you have to do is flip through all the flashcards in the chapter. These are not automatically graded, so when you finish it, I have to go in and manually input your grade. So there might be a little lag between when you do the flashcards and when you actually see your 100 for doing your flashcards. The spelling practice, I say a word. I also give you the definition, and then you have to spell it. I think my kids are on there for a few of them saying the words. So, and then the matching quizzes, these are just simple matching quizzes in Moodle. The chapter exams, you have timed exams in every chapter that you'll need to take. There's a couple of different question types. Most of them will be multiple choice. And then the final exam is worth 25% of your grade. It's a 100 question exam. It covers material from all the chapters. So it is a cumulative final exam. On the flashcards, there's a lot of them and I hand type them all. So if you see a spelling error, please let me know. I would greatly appreciate it so that I can go back and fix it. Makeup work, if something happens, let me know and I can work with you so that we can make sure that you get all of your work submitted on time. That's supposed to be spring or subterm 1. The disability services, if you need time extension on your exam or any other disability service, please let me know so I can get those put in for you. And then here's the schedule. This is suggested. If you stay on these dates, then you'll finish with plenty of time to spare and you won't have to rush at the end to get it all done. You can absolutely get this all done in like the first 2 weeks or in the first week even. You can take the final exam, whenever you finish all of your stuff. If that's, at the end of January, awesome. If that's mid-February, awesome. Once the course opens, everything will be open for you to go in and start working on your stuff. I don't open these at these dates and I don't close them at these dates. It'll all be open on Tuesday when the course opens. Okay, so I'm just going to run through. We only have 5 chapters. Like I said, this is just a 1-hour course. So in each chapter, I'll have a narrated PowerPoint for you to go through. I did these over the summer, so my kids helped a lot. So you'll just go through these, listen to the PowerPoints, and then here's the term cards or the flashcards. Like I said, super easy. Read it, turn it, read it, and then go to the next one. Okay, the easiest 100 that you'll ever get. And then the spelling practice, when you click on these, it'll pull up a list of definitions, and then there'll be a little speaker icon. It's not wanting to pull up. And you just hit on the speaker icon, and I will say the word, and then you spell it. And then you have your matching quizzes, and then you have your exam. Okay, and it's the same song and, oh, there we go. Okay, so here's the definition, and then you just hit this, I say the word, and then you spell it. Okay, on the spelling practice, you don't need to capitalize unless it's a proper noun or needs capitalization. Okay, same song and dance for all the chapters, and then you have your final exam. Okay, I think that's it. If you have any questions at all, please shoot me an email. I would much rather answer 100 questions than for you to be floundering and not know what to do. So I think that's it. Good luck, and I hope everyone has a great spring semester. Bye.